Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. Yeah, I know a long time not see my face, but today dropped a vlog. But yeah, bringing back the vlogs. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna wash my hair. Actually, I try to pull it out right now. It has been in for quite some time, but yeah. I'm gonna go pull it out, and then tomorrow I need to wash it and comb it tomorrow because we have school. I don't know why my ear looks so wet. Oh yes, I know the gel, because we have work Monday. Yeah, the Easter holiday done, so work on Monday, and also yeah. Yes, I'm gonna pull out my ear, pulling out my hair, and then washing it tomorrow and all of that. So I think this is gonna be a little, I don't know, is either a week in my life or like a maintenance kind of. Yeah, I think it's gonna be like a week in my life, so stay tuned. It's a rainy day, guys. Very rainy. Mom, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Did you miss the vlog?
Welcome back.
Yes, welcome back indeed. Did you miss them? Did you miss them?
Me?
Yeah.
I know you weren't vlogging, so I didn't go searching.
Oh my god. Bye. Bye, mother.
Say hi to the people. It has been finally been washed. I mean,
Girl,
it's
you're
like,
supposed to tell people hi.
hi to the vlog. I haven't washed my hair this year. Hi to the vlog. I'm washing my hair and I'm crying because look at that.
One look up beside you.
I don't care. It's gonna get extra.
Anyways, guys, we haven't seen you in a while, so
Yeah, I'm
now, like,
gonna
everybody
do a
tell them
vlog
hi.
tomorrow. I promise.
So hi. So yes, guys, we're back with the vlog. Back
People
to being
are not
annoying.
tough and nasty. Me afraid for come out.
So that's gonna be me tomorrow, cause me wash my ear tomorrow.
No, me no want to see
Me just have to.
ear them, you know.
Yeah, I know.
But me just shampoo it, cause you always tell me say me no fit
You know, if you come out
with the gel. No, with the gel in there and stuff. So me just shampoo it and go, but me need to shampoo it again.
Yeah. So yes, guys. So let's make them say hi, cause a long time them not, long time we don't talk.
So wagwan people, wagwan pan the upside, cause me don't deal with the downside. I mean, things must always up, and when things are going around you got things upside. So wagwan pan the upside. Wanna have to tell me nobody not no baby, nobody not married. I mean,
Where that's a go?
what you mean? Girl, that's a go on, man. All the world soon ends still, but yeah, man.
This girl in our ear. Anyways, guys, so
People
yes.
get no for show them.
So look up beside ear. Anyways, guys, so as we say, we are doing either one week in my life or something I want. Probably so will be like one weekend.
Sorry, weekend, cause
And
it's
then-
Friday.
It's Friday, and then we're gonna start one week in my life on Monday, right?
Yes.
Right. Yeah.
And I'll pop up in the vlog.
Yeah. So we're back with the vlogs, guys. We're back with the vlogs. Hopefully, me not drop off back.
She not drop off.
No, me have to tell you. I tried to explain in the vlog before this, which me just post. It's because of the demotivation. Like,
things not going fair.
it's like me, I make the vlog them, and it's like, when I now watch
it. I
mean, now watch, like,
right now, me just see it,
subscribe,
I
comment.
say me I go watch and me say no more.
Yeah. So, me
So that's
just,
why you see me not play.
I was
As long as
like-
I come in, go and hear advice.
it's like me, I
People
say,
be expensive shampoo one waste. I don't think that's how time.
anyways, it's like me, I say, is it worth my time? And like, I was just going through it at that time, and but it finally kind of feel happy-ish. I mean, I say, but now I'm gonna make my spirit down by this, and just like, I just couldn't. I say, me not waste my time on this. So yeah, and that's why it just go and go until
Two of my ear curly. I'll do a stick for me.
Anyways, guys, so I don't pull up my ear because me need to don't pull up my ear.
Tell me say me a beg her do
And
something.
then me soon later. I will be so tell me which color you want now. Blue.
Not playing anything.
I'm playing something.
I get a spoon.
You know you had one.
I don't know where to find spoon. Sorry.
One over there. When
I'm playing.
You never know how I like this album.
Morning, guys. So I was supposed to update you guys. So it's like probably about after 10 right now, and I've started my hair. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm not doing knotless because I'm doing knotless because my hair no longer cream. Like it pull out too quick, and I need this to go for the entire week and then like the weekend and stuff. So well, let's see. It's like I kind of lose my touch when it come on to box braids. Like it's not even tight anymore. But yeah. I'm tired already. Tired.
You love me with devotion. You don't kill me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. You so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. Can't fight and let your light come shine on me. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Could see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he comes. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
Good morning, guys. Today's Sunday. I've been up like quite like probably from about 6 o'clock thereabouts. Yeah. Well, I wake up from 6 o'clock up from probably about 6:30. It's currently like after 7 right now. I need to go and shower. I need to also iron my clothes right there. Yeah, because I want to hot water my hair because I finished last night. I finished about 8:40 something last night. So, I'm not lying. I said 8:40 something last night. It was 8:40 something. Yeah. Don't make you think so, man. Don't make you make on the things I lie and tell me. Not tell me no lie. I finished about 8:40 something last night. Yeah.
I got up from 5.
Where she's still in bed, people. Anyways, so I need to go and shower. I think I'm gonna shower right now, and then I'm going to iron my clothes afterwards, and then hot water my hair. Cause but when me hot water the hair, me don't want it to put up back. Cause me don't want it to crimp. So I got hot water it. Yes, it I got drink for my church clothes, but it's a sacrifice I'm willing to take. All right, change of plans. Sister says she got hot water for me. All right, so I'll hot water it when I get back from church, but I'm still gonna bed right now. So let's go shower.
Because when we hear other people's testimony, what it does is strengthen us. This morning when we heard our sister's testimony, we are reminded that our God is still a deliverer. We are reminded that our God is still a protector.
guys, so I'm back home from church. It was pretty good service. I'm hot. Anyways, so I'm home, kind of feel slackish. I will finish with dinner, and then like later I need to we need to iron something for work or iron for the week, and probably like next week as well. I'm not sure, but yeah, we need to do some ironing and then like prepare for school and the week. So yeah.
MT, you made this?
Okay. I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day. In every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name.
It is raining. I haven't seen this rain in a while. Yo, hear the drama, guys. Hear the drama. So, our sports day for school was put off because of the rain. And it looked like it's still not about again. Because tomorrow, they're planning on it for tomorrow and Tuesday. Like, if rain fall like this, I kill it. I guarantee you, the field is gonna be wet. So now make that sense. Well, anyways, let me finish washing my plates. This is I don't even know what to call it. I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah. So I'm trying to finish washing the plates and I try to clean up the kitchen, and then after I finish cleaning the kitchen, hopefully you not hear me, after I finish cleaning the kitchen I'm going to hot water my hair. My sister's gonna do it for me, so yeah, hot water the ends of my hair. It's a rough look now, so I'm going to have to go retwist some of the part that we have to pull out, and then yeah, see what happens. Love your soul, like your soul is just always so bright and so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna finish washing plates because washing plates is kind of boring and I don't want to bore y'all. So Alright guys, so just hot water my hair. My sister did a great job, so hopefully the ends stay. Yeah, and look at lens. Nice lens. Anyways. Oh, am I so bad? Anyways, so yeah, I get some work done right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Me too bright, yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to iron today. I'm not sure. I'm not in the mood, but I'll decide that later. But yes, when you have long hair, it's a flex. My son Taylor. Anyways guys, I'll see you when I'm doing something else. See you later. Hey guys, just in the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and come back guys, come back for another vlog. I'm supposed to be doing like a week in my life. I haven't really started it, but it's Monday. But yeah, we're gonna do it. Yeah. So please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.